Okay, so here's the problem. You've created an awesome app ready to deploy to the cloud, but you need an environment that's scalable without losing control of your budget. How big should your server be? 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes? What if you're wrong? It's expensive to pay for resources you don't need. But then, it's also expensive if resource shortages cause downtime. Cloudlets scale for you automatically. You don't need to guess how big the server should be. And with Cloudlets, you only pay for resources you actually use. You don't waste money paying for unnecessary resources. Sure, some other virtual servers let you resize, but you have to log in, order, and sometimes even reboot. Who has time for that? You don't want to be interrupted at all hours because your server ran out of resources and you're offline. And you certainly don't want to pay for resources you're not even using. What a waste! With Cloudlets, you can have your environment up and running in seconds and simply set the resource scaling limit according to your budget. And if your resource usage is lower, you automatically pay less. No surprise bills, no need to guess anything in advance. Cloudlets only charges you for your usage. And Cloudlets can save you even more money. Here's how. Once your app is deployed, you can view real-time resource graphs right in the dashboard. When you know your typical resource needs, you can set a minimum resource level and get a substantial discount. You still benefit from automatic scaling above that, up to whatever maximum scaling limit you decide. And as your application gains popularity and its resource usage increases, Cloudlets automatically applies an extra volume discount to keep your costs down. Want to pay a fixed price? No problem. Just set the maximum and minimum limits to the same value to disable automatic scaling. You can start and stop your environments at any time. When stopped, you only pay for disk storage above 10 gig, nothing else, making Cloudlets the perfect home for your development projects and client demos too. Stop paying for resource allocation, move your application to Cloudlets, and stop stressing over downtime.